In this video, we're going to learn how to convert a for loop to a while loop in C. The first thing we'll do is write a for loop to output the numbers from 1 to 10. So we'll have for int I is equal to 1, where I is going to be our counter variable. Then we'll have I is less than or equal to 10 for a condition, and then I++. So the loop is going to start off with I set to 1. I is going to be incremented by 1 after each time the loop body is executed. And when I is no longer less than or equal to 10, the loop is going to stop. Now in the loop body, we'll output the value of I. So we'll have printf, and then %d to output an integer value, and then \n for a new line character so that each number is going to be on a new line. Then we'll output the value of I here. So we can save, compile, and run this, and we should get the numbers from 1 to 10. And we do. So our for loop is working correctly. So to convert the for loop to a while loop, it helps to break it down into its different parts. This right here is the initialization statement. It's going to execute before anything else in the for loop. So it makes sense to have this just above the while loop. We'll have /* initialization statement. It's going to occur just above the while loop. Next, we have the condition. And the condition in the for loop is right here. It's going to make sense to put that as the while loop condition. So right here, we're going to have the condition. Sometimes this is called the test expression. So we'll have test expression here as well. Next, this is the update statement. The update statement is going to occur after the body of the for loop executes. So if we were to put the body of the for loop in the while loop here, then the update statement should occur just after the body. It should occur right here, just after the body. So right now, what we have here is a template that shows us how to convert a for loop to a while loop based on its different parts. So let's follow this template by copying and pasting the different parts of the for loop into the correct places in our template. So we'll copy this statement and we'll place it here. We'll copy the condition and we'll place it here. We'll copy the update statement and we'll place it here. And then we'll copy the body and we'll place it here. And we'll comment out this for loop. And let's see if our while loop works. We should also get the numbers from 1 to 10 when we save, compile, and run the program. And we do get the numbers from 1 to 10. So our while loop is working. So what we can do is just apply this template here when we have a for loop and we want to convert it to a while loop. We can just replace the different parts of the template with the associated parts of the for loop. Check out portfoliocourses.com, where we'll help you build a portfolio that will impress employers, including courses to help you develop C programming projects.